Hi guys, it's me Kiora. Why my sleeves little? Cause no, nothing is dishes. I'm gonna make me lemons. Not make. Well, cut them. I'm gonna make lemons to eat. So first I have to wash this bowl. Oh, fudge. This bowl. Let's try. Oh, there's a little sugar. See if it is. No. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm not gonna show you guys this sticky lemon. I'm just gonna cut it, guys. I'm gonna put it off. Okay, cut it. And now I have it. I'm gonna put some sugar on it. Watch out. Okay, it's done. Take this one. Where's the lemon? Oh yeah, you can't see it because it literally matches my hoodie. Yeah, this is a sleigh. Seed. And I guys are gonna think me weird, but I like lemons. I like the sounds. That's it. Bye guys.